Hi, class. I hope you had a great weekend. Welcome to another week of Counseling 120. This week, we've got a lot to cover. So first off, wanted to say Happy Lunar New Year to you all. And also want to acknowledge the fact that the late great Kobe Bryant passed, which is a really sad day for a lot of people who are sports fans or are fans of the Lakers and Kobe. So thoughts and prayers to all those that are affected, including his daughter and the other families out there. So that was really sad. To transition, I wanted to talk about what we'll be covering this week. So we plan on finishing up going over the catalog. So I'll be doing a lecture on the catalog and showing you the online version. The textbook is the PDF version of the catalog. So we'll be really going over how to navigate that in comparison to the PDF version. And then we'll transition to going into the schedule of classes and primarily use web schedule and kind of compare and contrast what that's like compared to the printed copy as well. So remember, there is an Accessing Student Services assignment that is due at the end of the week. Some of you have already completed and finished it, so good job. Those of you who are still working on it, you have until Friday to turn that in. Again, no late work will be accepted for that as well. I want to also welcome some of the new students who have added. Today is the last day to add or drop the class, so welcome without a W. There is still the W deadline to drop, but definitely today is the last day to add. Lastly, there will be a quiz at the end of the week, so want to make sure you're keeping up with the lectures and the readings. It is an open note, open book quiz, so make sure you're on top of it. And again, wishing you a great week and look forward to connecting with you online on Canvas. So that's what's coming in Counseling 120 this week.